Hi, and welcome to this video on data visualization for data science. Data visualization is a critical component of data science and provides a powerful way to communicate complex data sets and insights to a wide range of audiences. In this video, we'll dive deep into the subject of data visualization, exploring the basics, best practices, and key considerations for creating compelling visualizations. First, let's start with the basics. Data visualization involves representing data in a graphical format, such as a bar chart, line chart, scatter plot, heat map, or others. Data visualization aims to communicate insights and trends that might take time to be apparent in raw data. Next, let's talk about best practices for data visualization in data science. Some key considerations include choosing the right type of visualization, using clear labels and axes, effectively using color, paying attention to scale, aggregating data, focusing on the story, and using multiple visualizations. Another important aspect of data visualization is using the right tools. There are many different tools available for data visualization, including Excel, Tableau, R, and more. Choose the right tool based on your data and the insights you want to communicate. Once you've created your visualization, testing and iterating are essential. This involves sharing your visualizations with different audiences, getting feedback, and making changes as necessary. Data visualization is an iterative process, and it's important to be open to feedback and to make changes that will improve the effectiveness of your visualizations. It's also important to pay attention to context. Data visualization should be context-aware, taking into account the audience, the purpose of the visualization, and the data itself. By considering context, you can ensure that your visualizations are effective and relevant. Finally, data visualization should make data accessible. This means that the visualizations should be easy to understand and interpret, even for those who may need a technical background. By making data accessible, you can reach a wider audience and ensure your insights are shared with the right people. In conclusion, data visualization is a critical component of data science, providing a powerful way to communicate complex data sets and insights. By following best practices, using the right tools, and paying attention to context, you can create effective visualizations that will help organizations make better decisions and share insights in an easily digestible way. That's all for today's video on data visualization for data science. We hope you found it helpful and learned some new tips and tricks for creating effective visualizations. If you like this video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more data science content. And don't forget to leave a comment with any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. Thanks for watching.